Hi everyone, I'm Galen Hair, partner at Insurance Claim HQ, powered by Hair Shunnarah Trial Attorneys. We have done some videos on ACV versus RCV, but it merits doing something separate for contents. That's your stuff. So, RCV means replacement cost value. That is the cost to get exactly what was damaged in the storm as though it was never damaged in brand new condition. But that exact thing you had, not something brand new. So let's start with the TV as an example. If you bought a brand new 65-inch LED Samsung TV in 2021, and that was the model, and this year is 2023, the RCV, the replacement cost, is going to be the cost of a brand new 2021 Samsung 65-inch LED TV, not a 2024 or 2023, if that makes sense. So the next thing we have to do is figure out the ACV, the actual cash value. That's really going to deal kind of with the age, except age is not as big a deal there. It's going to deal a lot more with condition. Was this TV well maintained? I don't know. Did a baseball go through the TV? These are the types of things they have to consider to figure out what it was worth. So depending on your policy, you're probably going to get paid the ACV first. And then after you replace those contents, or as part of a settlement, you might be able to get your RCV. But that's only going to be after you replace those contents. Now, you're not going to go buy a 2021 Samsung 65-inch LED TV. You won't be able to find it. So you will go buy a new one. But just bear in mind, some policies will only pay for the value of like what that 2021 TV would have cost. For instance, I don't know about you, but it feels like every time I buy a new phone, it goes up $100. Like it never stays the same price. So as far as pricing is concerned, they may consider the prior years, but you're still entitled to buy something new when you're replacing your items. Let me use one more example because I think a TV has some advantages because there's different models every year, but let's talk about furniture, a couch, okay? You bought a couch. The year matters because we have to take into account age and condition, but the year's not as important. There's not really models and years for most couches unless you're into designer furniture. So you've got a couch. Let's say it's 5 years old, and couches are expected to last 20 years. And you took really good care of your couch. So in that case, to go buy a brand new couch, let's say it's going to cost $1,000. It's 5 years old, usually lasts 20 years. They're going to take 25% off. So they're going to give you $750 ACV. And then when you buy that couch for $1,000 or more, you'll get up to $1,000 for the couch, brand new, okay? That's how that works. Now, it's not just age, it can be condition. For instance, maybe you didn't take good care of that couch. Maybe it's only 5 years old, but it's got coffee stains all over it and your dog was just absolutely terrible and ripped it up a bunch. That might get depreciated down 50% or more. So it really does depend on age and condition. So you might get less under my example than $750 for your couch, but either way, that's kind of the process. So what we're gonna do for you is we're gonna work with your experts and our experts to try to find the right depreciation, the right RCV, and the right ACV for your contents claim. This is why it's crucial that when we ask you for ages, brands, models, receipts if you have them, that's why we need these. We're not harassing you, we're trying to get these numbers right so you can get what you're actually owed.